Hey guys, the first of my bulk order packages of Lego just arrived. I thought I'd open it up for everybody, see what we got. We'll do a sort later, but this is kind of a first look. So I'm gonna, here. That didn't work at all! Hooray for off-screen drama! There, that's better. Yeah, I really need... I need a camera stand. It's coming. Rip it open. Kill it, kill it. There we go, guys. In case you were wondering, this is what approximately a pound of Legos looks like when you order it on the internet. And they tell you unsorted. They mean unsorted. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Like and subscribe.